What's up guys? Today I'm going to introduce to you the bluechem multi-function foam. So this is a multi-purpose cleaner and it's good for all kind of surfaces. First of all, it's a water-based and it's odorless, it's colorless, and it's pH neutral. All kind of surface, if you apply with the right cleaning tools, and you will get the desired results that you want. This is actually not a very strong detergent, and it's just nice for just daily cleaning. Good for oil and greases. We have tried it on like the dirty engine oil on car seat, and it works really well. So I do daily dust cleaning with this product, and also whenever I have some oil and greases on some surface, like for example on the seat or on the handle and that kind of different kind of places, I'll use this product with the horsehair brushes and to just loosen it up and then wipe it out with a very soft cloth. So yeah, this product is great, try it out. Thank you so much for your time. See you.